This is Professor Darif Sites. Quartiles as medians. This Microsoft Excel spreadsheet calculates the quartiles as medians. Quartile 2 is the median of the entire data set. Q1 is the median of the first half, everything below Q2. And Q3 is the median of the last half, everything above Q2. The data is over here in sorted order to help us calculate these things quickly. And we'll start right here at the top. The procedure begins with Q2. That's why it's listed first. Calculate the median of the data set. The range here represents the data set. 221.5 is the answer. 221.5 is between 209 and 234. Next, for Q1, find the median of the first half, everything below Q2 value. So that would be 209 and up. We want to find the median of this subset. There are 11 items in there. We can do the calculation, but we don't need to. It's an odd number. The one in the middle right here, 182, is the median. But this particular spreadsheet did actually, as you can see, A2 to A12 is right here. Went ahead and calculated it as the median of those. Next, for Q3, again, 221.5 is right between these two. So the last half goes from A13 to A23. And in the middle there is 319. And this Q3 formula here, oh, my mouse is moving on me, is the median of A13 to A23, 319. Here, the IQR, the interquartile range, defined to be Q3 minus Q1, that's the formula, is 137. And the outliers, the definitions for outliers are Q1 minus 1.5 times the IQR, anything less than or equal to that. Or on the other side, Q3 plus 1.5 times the IQR, anything greater than or equal to that. And we see these formulas here. So this is an alternate way used by some textbook authors or perhaps technology vendors to get each quartile to be a median of some set or subset.